So the first thing we're going to do is treat that a little bit heavier, that one section, with the effervescence cleaner, and then we'll do the entire deck. So let's get busy. Okay, so we're all done with our F-flow treatment. I'll show you what it looks like. Starting to look a little bit better already. All right, so next up is Point Break. It's our organic cleaner. So we'll get that down, and then we'll get one more process and we're ready. Okay, so we're finished up with our Point Break here. I'll show you what that looks like. That's all down, cleaned up. Starting to make a big difference on the pavers and the color, and you just tell they just look cleaner. All right, so next up is the wipeout, which is our neutralizer and our final rinse. Okay, so we're all done here now with our cleaning, our 3-step cleaning process. Everything's been neutralized. We have a small job to go hit right now. We'll let this dry. We'll come back tomorrow and wet sand it and get everything else ready for putting the sealer down. I'll walk you around and show you. I don't know if you can tell too much on the camera, but these pavers are definitely clean. You can just see them. their pores are opened up on it, so that'll accept the sealer really well. And we got all of our flow treated. We don't have any more issues with this one. So anyway, that's where we are for now. So we'll be back tomorrow to wet sand and get ready for sealing. We'll see you then.